How do I retain your attention? Is that what you say? How do I retain your attention? Welcome back to my channel. I am Jenny, and today I have to clean up our kitchen because we are a dysfunctional family that are utterly disgusting. The first thing that I'm doing here is just picking up trash and trying to clear off all counter space. I don't know about you, but having 2 under 2 and then just being a messy person already is impossible to keep anything clean. Once we cleaned up this whole thing, like a day later, it was back to normal. Normal as in disgusting. As some of you may know, we just recently moved back to Seattle from Texas, and at our old apartment we only had enough plates and bowls for us. So for example, we only had 4 plates or 3 even, I don't remember. But that made it so we had to clean up every time we had to eat, which, you know, it was working pretty well. But now at this house we have multiple plates and, you know, we are just accumulating a mess, and I am working on it. Man, if you have any tips on how to keep your house decently clean, and if you do, please comment it, because I desperately need some advice and help on how to do this. Maybe I'm just lazy, but you know, I will always take the input. So the music buildup right here is too intense, so I just want to budge in and try to distract you from it. I don't know why I chose this song, but right now I'm just taking appliances and everything that I don't use in the kitchen near this area out and just cleaning it off to give me some more space, you know. So now I'm clearing out the cabinets and drawers, and instead I'm going to put in things that we use on a daily basis. If not daily basis, then at least more frequently than whatever was already in the cabinets. Look at all the stuff that I pulled out of the cabinets and drawers. Not only is there this, there's way more stuff in the garage that we need to bring up. So I'm just trying to organize right here, figure out what needs to be put where and what needs to not be in the kitchen. I wish we had gone to the dollar store beforehand, because even though I decluttered most of the kitchen, it still looks a little bit messy just because I don't have anything to make it look aesthetically pleasing. So maybe I will remake this video after a while and try to make it look a little bit nicer, but this is functional. Sometimes you just get lazy and tired, especially when you have kids, so I just didn't feel like doing anything after they went to sleep. So, it's the second day. So I was clearing out the cabinets where there are like sauces and spices and seasoning salts, and I thought this one right here would be perfect for the kids stuff because it is a small cabinet, but it's just enough for all their things, and it's very accessible, especially because we need to use it multiple times a day. In this cabinet right here, I do want to organize it better later on, but at the top I've put in jars that we've all hoarded over time that we can reuse, and at the bottom just put in snacks that we can grab easily. I've tried to organize all the spices in cooking style, so in that basket is all the Asian sauces, and the ones in the front are ones that we use pretty often, and the rest is just cluttered in the back. So I need to figure out a different way on how to organize this, but for now this works. I'm going through the rest of the stuff here and see what can go in the cabinets, and if it doesn't, then I'm just putting it in the pantry. After doing all that organizing, I don't know how, but the floor looks like this, and it's time to sweep the floor and mop it. if you're wondering what that jar is right there, it is Daddy's Richards fertilizer that he makes himself, so that's that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I will be coming out with another one of these kitchen decluttering videos soon to make everything a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. So if you want to watch that, please subscribe and tune in.